Hello everyone, this is Maureen and welcome back to my crochet story. Today is Tuesday and I share with you how I'm going with my Sophie's journey on Sophie's Universe. But before I show you that, let me say thank you so much for you being here for this short little time. I have done some progress, but not a whole lot, but you know, progress is progress. So thank you so much for stopping in. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I do appreciate your time. If you're someone new, please take a moment to go check out all the other videos I have on my YouTube channel. And if you like something that you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And then also look for the bell that has little hugs on the side. And be sure to click it because it'll let you know every time I upload something. So, since the last time I showed you Sophie's, I've only been able to progress a couple of rows. Now, I think I told you that this particular part 6 says that it's really just a bunch of rounds of trying to clean up some areas, and we're getting ready to transition now to another section. So all the stitches are really not that hard. You just have to count, which you need to count anyway, but it's just a lot of single crochets and just, you know, trying to get it ready for the next stage. Now, let's see. I believe I showed you that's what it should look like when we get finished with part 6. There's different weights there that were used. Now, you can't see it very well in this picture here, but you are going to see in the picture that I'm going to upload for you here in just a moment. I have just completed round 48, and it's called the leaves round, and you will see that there are leaves that are added in just to the corner pieces. We still are in that kind of octagon shape where we still have short sides and long sides. But there's really not a lot going on other than the decorative little bit of embossing, I guess you could say, that she put there in the corners. And you'll see that here in just a minute. And then from there on, folks, we're going to add a little tulip when I get to around 50, which I hope to be able to show you next week. And then we'll just continue out the rest of part 6 by just cleaning up and setting the border up for part 7. So that's all really that I have for my Sophie's Universe. But what I do want to tell you is that on May the 1st, I will be joining Michelle from Michelle's Mosaics and More. She's going to be showing us, those of us that are beginners, and even those that already know how to do mosaics, how to do a mosaic. It's something I've always wanted to learn, but just looking at some of the gorgeous patterns, you know, I've always been intimidated by doing it. But we are all going to start a SHOLACH blanket, and I'll show you the picture here in just a minute. Now, there is a kit that you can buy from Mary Maxim. I'll leave a link down in my description box for you. That they've already put some colors together for you, the right amount of yarn, you know, just whatever it is that you want, in kits. One is an acrylic kit and one is a prism kit. These kits right now are on sale for 25% off, and I don't know how long the sale is going to run. This is the 17th of April, but if you're interested in doing the SHOLACH, I will leave Michelle's link to her YouTube channel down in the description box. She has been talking about it on Carry the Yarny Elephants Live on what you need to do in order to get ready to start it. Yeah, so I'm very excited to learn how to do this. It's everyone keeps telling me it's really easy. All it is single crochets and double crochets. So we're going to see. So along with sharing my Sophie's Universe journey with you after May the 1st, I will also be showing you how I'm doing with my mosaic, and if I like it, if I don't like it, and just, let you see my progress with it. So I'm very excited to get that going. That's really all I have on Sophie's for this week, folks. I know it's not a lot, but I was lucky to get the little bit done that I did. But hopefully next time I'll be able to show you a lot more progress. I am enjoying the blanket. At this point, if you were to ask me would I make another one, I don't know yet. Because I'm not even halfway through it, so ask me a little bit, maybe when I get to maybe part 12, we'll see how I feel. Okay? All right. So thank you again so much for being here. I really do appreciate you stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up because it always helps the channel. As always, be the light out there in the darkness for someone today, because you never know, could be your light that they need to see. I love you all. Bye.